Alright, this is your man, JoJo Sonic Fan, and we'll be continuing with our walkthrough. Now, yeah, we'll be continuing. Yeah, I'm kind of wondering why I've done better on the hard mode than the normal mode. Oh well. The death egg. Well, that's not gonna be hard, considering how fat you are. Catching you won't be a problem. I'm over here, you fatty. Oh, for God's sake. That's the first thing you want to hit, someone's ass. The way to defeat this boss is to hit his ass! No! Oh, no! Bitch. You think I don't know that? Oh, come on! Bitch. You just got it! No! Bitch, you ain't gonna hit me. Bitch, you ain't gonna hit me. Bitch, you could take some of that. Woo! And what rank did I get? Ooh! Whoa! Okay, this is your man, JoJo Sonic Fan. Please like, subscribe, and goodbye.